Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. I'm about to do the video I promised, showing a little bit about MLA. Some of you do MLA perfectly and it's great. I see that some of you do have a little bit of trouble. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a video of me making a Word document in MLA, and I'm also going to email that document to all of you. That way, if you just open it up, you can um, just put it in your own name. Okay, so this is the 1301 section right now. I do just want to point out that the effective sentences exam is due today, Wednesday. Remember, I do give a curve for that. Hopefully y'all saw the curve on the major errors exam that was already put in. So I'm going to go ahead over to our other section. So do look over this announcement right here. Some of you did not turn in a descriptive essay outline. Some of you turned in a research paper outline. It's really important just to pay extra attention. This is a very fast-paced class. By the end of next week, we'll already be halfway through. We do have quite a few assignments, and I understand getting them mixed up every now and then. So definitely, if you're one of the ones that accidentally turned in the wrong type of outline, go back and change that, because that essay is due in the 1301 section on Sunday, as well as in this section of the class, your evaluative essay is due. All right, so let's go ahead and start with MLA. What you need to do is you just need to have a blank document. The first thing I do is I hit Control A, and I don't have a Mac, so if you do have a Mac, there are a couple videos that I can share with you on how to do this. So you can use Times New Roman, you can use Arial. There's a couple other fonts you can use. I really like to stick to Times New Roman because no matter what format you use, whether it's MLA in this class, APA in a different class, typically Times New Roman is a good bet. So once I hit Control A, I'm controlling this whole document minus the header. So another thing that I do is I can right click right here and I can go to paragraph. So for your line spacing, you want to do double, okay? And that's the way you do that, okay? So with this right here, I can go ahead and I can start doing one of my headers. So I'm going to put student name, that way you know. And put So that's my name, and I put the class, and depending on what it is, I'll just put DRW 0493, and then I put the date. Now, the date is supposed to be like the military or European date, so I'll put it like this. I honestly don't care how it looks, but some professors do get a little bit weird with it, so it's just up to you. Now, after I do this, I hit enter one time, okay? So then in MLA format, I have a title. I'm just going to put title right here. Some professors are very particular about what type of title you use. I'm not really one of them. So if you're turning in like your descriptive essay, for instance, you can just put descriptive essay. So once again, I hit enter one more time, and then I go to left justify, and I make sure I hit tab. And then I'm going to put, I am ready to write my essay. Now, once I keep writing, show y'all one thing. See how it automatically skips a line right there? So you don't have to hit enter. When you hit enter, it just messes with the formatting. I want to leave that. There's also one more step that I have to do. This is called the running head up here. So the big thing that you have to do in this is you have to add the page number. So if you look up here, I've got page number right here. So putting in the page number is so important because when you go, if you just type in the number 1, it will show up. And one more thing that's really important is you do want this to be the same size and font as the rest. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put Times New Roman. I'm going to put 12 just so it's the same. We want it to be the same. So your student last name will be here. So if your last name is Graham, you'd put Graham here. Now, I want to show you why it's so important to insert rather than just type in the number. So if you look right here on the page number 2, it automatically puts number 2. Okay, now if you go in and I get rid of this one and I just put one, like typing it in, it's going to show up the same. So that's why it is so important that you go through and you actually insert that page number. So once I did that, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you still have trouble, like if you use Google Docs, just let me know. I'm going to send you guys this example. That way you can use it as well. All right. Happy writing.